Hello, welcome back to another video for CPM. This is a very short one. I am looking at how to do C for CPM and specifically 8080 opcodes. The only way I know how to do this right now is Aztec C, which is native to the CPM machine, so that's really awesome. You get to do native 8080 code from C on the CPM computer, but it's pretty tedious programming on that computer. It's very limited. It's slow compilation, even on a fast 18 megahertz processor. So there has to be a better way. Well, Z88DK has been, it's been updated, year after year after year, and it's really good nowadays. You can even compile things for the T84 Plus calculators and stuff, which I will love to visit at some point soon. But anyway, I was surprised how easy it is to install for, just compiling code. You just download this, you put it in your path, you're good to go, and then all you gotta do is just, let's just make a program. Hello.c. It's so easy. And then right into main, put S. There, so we have a hello world. And now if we want to compile for the Z80, well, there's tons and tons and tons of switches you can look at, but here's a very easy one, ZCC. So you do CPM, right? You have to add the clib, and then hello.c. I'm not gonna do create app sort of deal. You can mess around with that if you want. I'm just gonna do straight com file, and then if I look at it, I can see that I've made hello.com. It's 5.8 kilobytes, which is a little bigger than Aztec C. I will have to put in the video right now if that is true. I know I wrote my own put S routine and it was around 4K. But this is with a C standard library. And that's the com file. And now let's see if I can run it. Look at that. I have compiled hello.com from C source. This is ansi C. This is not KNR C. This is modern C. So that's really awesome. And I'm using an 8080 processor instead of a Z80. It says Z80 right here, but that's because I forget. I think I was developing specifically for the Z80. But no, it's running 8080 code, and it works. And that's all there is to it. It's really easy. You can do multi-source compiling, all native on your Windows or Linux or Mac machine. And I think I'll be going forward on this in the future instead of Aztec C. So, see ya.